Welcome, and thank you for choosing Cleo Q, the most advanced electronic face and body toning system available today, that lifts, firms and tones by reviving and re-educating your muscles to restore younger looks and slow down the aging process. The following is a step-by-step demonstration on how to get the best results from your Cleo Q. So let's get started. In your pack you will find the Cleo Q unit, main cable, 2 face leads, assorted face and neck pads, batteries, neck strap, and our probiotic skincare range. This includes a deep cleansing moisture mousse to clean the skin prior to every treatment, EGF Regenerate Nourishing Cream to moisturize afterwards, and Skin Sheer and Radiance Polish to exfoliate once or twice weekly. Cleo treatment is delivered via this small portable unit, so first of all, insert the batteries. Attach the neck strap to the reverse of the unit if you like to wear it around your neck during treatment, or if you prefer, it can be placed in your pocket or held in your hand. Then connect the main cable to the top of the unit. Now you should cleanse your face using the Deep Cleansing Moisture Mousse. It's important to do this before treatment to remove oil buildup and cosmetic residues and to ensure the pads adhere effectively. There are 4 facial workout options with different pad positions. You need to position your pads here for a general tone, full facial workout, here for an upper facial workout, here for a lower facial workout, or here for a neck workout using the neck pads on the collarbone position. Once you've selected your workout, position the pads accordingly. Attach the face leads using the press stud style connection and place them over your ears, adjusting the flexible tube for comfort. When ready, connect your face leads to the main cable. You're now ready to select your program and begin your treatment. Switch on by pressing the on-off button. The default setting is program level 1 on the face workout, 7-minute duration, with an output level of 00. There are 5 levels with different timings, so to select a higher level, press the plus button until you reach your chosen setting. The smallest digit on the LCD identifies the program level. To start your workout, press Run and then press the plus button to increase output. The 2 large digits will change to show the intensity. You should increase this until you feel a gentle tingling sensation. Cleo Q transmits a sequence of intermittent pulses, alternating between 5-second work periods followed by 5-second rest periods. Notice the indicator bar that moves from work to rest throughout the program. It's important to note that you can only increase or decrease intensity during the work period. The sensation should be felt equally on both sides of your face, but as our nerve pathways aren't symmetrical, it's common to feel it stronger on one side. This can be regulated by using the balance function. Please refer to the user guide. Your unit will automatically switch off at the end of the program, and the display on the LCD will disappear. Now, simply remove the pads. Finish by moisturizing with our probiotic EGF cream to help cool and stabilize the muscles. As a new user, we recommend using Cleo Q at least 3 to 5 times a week for the first 3 months to achieve optimum results. We hope our guide to success has been easy to follow and helpful. However, for more detailed information, please refer to the user guide or call our helpline on 09069 252 627, where a member of our team will be happy to assist.